In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your selling location on Facebook Marketplace easily and efficiently. This can be incredibly useful if you've moved to a new area or simply want to reach a different audience for your listings. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step process. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your user credentials before you can proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the left side of the screen where you'll see a bunch of options, and from those, click on Marketplace. This section is where users buy and sell items within their local area. Now that you're in the marketplace, let's shift our focus to the selling tab. Click on this option to pull up the list of your current listings. This area is where all your selling actions take place, whether you're listing new items or managing existing ones. Within this section, you'll find each item you currently have listed for sale. Next, identify the listing for which you'd like to change the location. To modify any detail of the listing, including the location, look for the three-dot button next to the listing you want to edit. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu of options that you may not have visible at first glance. Among those, select the option that says Edit Listing. Doing so will allow you to make changes to the details of your selected item. Now that you're in the edit mode, you'll see a field labeled Location. This is where you can type in the new location you wish to update your listing to. It's important to ensure you are specific with the location, as this largely determines who will see your listing based on their geographical proximity. Once you have entered the desired new location, you'll need to apply the changes. Do this by hitting the Update button. Clicking this button saves all the alterations you've made to the listing, including the location update. Finally, it's crucial to double-check your work. Head back to your list of active listings under the Selling tab and verify that your new location is displayed correctly. This ensures there are no errors or issues that might prevent your listing from reaching your intended audience. With these easy steps, you've successfully changed the selling location for your listing on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, updating your location can significantly affect who sees your listing and potentially increase your chances of making a sale. Thanks for watching and happy selling.